What's up, math scholars and math haters? This is Mr. W. Today we're going to tackle question 20 in the third grade math questions that North Carolina released this past school year. The question says that the perimeter of this pentagon is 52 centimeters. We know that these two sides are each 10 centimeters and these two sides are each 12 centimeters, and we're supposed to find this missing length. Now this question will test you on what you know about perimeter, and it's also going to test you on your knowledge of just the basics of equations, as well as using fact families to solve them, which at this point is my preferred method of solving an equation like what we'll end up with here. So let's go ahead and actually get that equation. Starting with what perimeter means. Perimeter essentially means that we add up all the sides. It's essentially how much fence it would take to build something in the shape of this pentagon around this area that the pentagon encloses. All right, so since I'm adding up all my sides, this is going to be 10 plus 10 for these two, plus 12 plus something we don't know yet, equals, and then the problem gave us the total perimeter as 52. So we have all this junk that we can just add together, plus something we don't know equals 52. So let's go ahead and add all the junk up. The reason I wrote these with the same numbers right next to each other is to make this part of the problem a little bit easier, because I'm going to go ahead and rewrite this down there with 10 plus 10 is 20, 12 plus 12 is 24, and 20 plus 24 is 44. So I know that 44 plus my I don't know number equals 52. Now, if you can do this problem at this point in your head, fantastic. If not, I'm going to go ahead and demonstrate how to use fact families to rewrite this. Essentially, we want this unknown number to be by itself on one side of the equal sign. And the way that fact families will let us do that is that I can think, okay, if I know that 44 plus whatever this is equals 52, then I also know that 52 minus 44 is going to get me this I don't know number. And so at this point, we just need to set this up as a subtraction problem and solve it. Let me scoot this over. So 52 minus 44. I've used other methods of subtraction in other problems. This time I'm going to use just the standard way that I was taught, where we subtract right to left and borrow from the next place over as we need to. So for instance, 2 minus 4, that one won't work. So I need to think of this number 52, 5 tens and 2 ones, and I need to rethink it as 4 tens and 12 ones. Now 4 tens is 40, and 40 plus 12 would still give us 52, but I'm rewriting this number in this way in order to give myself subtraction, or small subtraction problems that I can actually do, like 12 minus 4, because 12 minus 4 gives me 8. So that's my ones. 12 ones minus 4 ones gives me 8 ones, and 4 tens minus 4 tens doesn't really give me anything. So I know that this missing length that I have is 8 centimeters, which matches choice